red, and then brown, and then dark blue. This is little blue, light blue, and who is over there? The light brown one, and orange. Look at his hand. So cute. Little Ruby digging back. That is now letting me making videos. She said I had enough money. Now I need to clean them. The blue is coming at the end. Don't go. Another one at the bottom. Don't go there. That was all. Lucky decided they need a big clean. They are suckling so strong. So cute. Love that little noise. Oh, there you go. Light blue is there. Okay. I let them alone for you.